Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to IT Skills. Today, we're going to break down another news from Broadcom, and this one is going to be their earning report. And since it's a acquisition, whether Broadcom is actually doing good or bad, we're going to find out. And there's a spoiler alert over here for you already. There's going to be a mix of wins and challenges for Broadcom. Let's get into deep dive of that. So you can see over here, Broadcom announced at least 48% of year on year revenue growth in quarter three since its acquisition of VMware, saying VMware has contributed to 3.8 billions of dollars of growth. That is a lot of money. This growth shows that VMware acquisition is paying off for Broadcom. However, despite the revenue surge, Broadcom posted nearly 2 billion loss to at least 4.5 billion tax liability. So they grew, they saw revenue from VMware, but they also lost $2 billion in tax revenue. So that's how it is. But VMware is winning for them. The next thing is that VMware, it's basically becoming Broadcom cash cow. They're milking it to the end. So VMware Private Cloud Solution, VCF, basically became Broadcom ways of going to get the most money from the customer. VMware Cloud Foundation saw strong sales, providing Broadcom new licensing model is working. Basically, the subscription is working. Costs at VMware were cut from 1.6 billion to 1.3 billion this year. So in this case, showing Broadcom plan for streaming operation is yielding the right result. So if they were looking to get more money in the first place, now they're getting a lot more money and they have no backlash to deal with at this point in time. But not all areas are growth, because Broadcom, as you know, they are the non-AI semiconductor industry. They make chips, computer chips. And since their computer chips is not focused on AI, their demand has dropped. The Broadcom AI related product performed well, but the ones that are not related to AI did not. The ones related to AI have generated 3.1 billions of dollars. Broadcom expects about 12 billion in growth in AI related revenue in 2024, which hopes for further revenue in 2025. Also, Broadcom CEO Hock Tang believes better days are ahead. As non-AI silicon market stabilize, Broadcom is optimistic about the recovery in quarter four, Q4, and beyond, particularly in AI and VMware integration. Broadcom strategy is all about driving VMware potential forward, creating a long-term win for the company. So, this is where the challenge comes in. This growth, if you think about it, it's coming from the same product. You have to ask yourself, VMware wasn't that profitable. How come Broadcom made it profitable for them? Well, the answer, as you know, is the simplest. They changed everything from perpetual to subscription. They're doing it for existing customer, new customer. They're doubling prices. They're canceling any potential leeway or loophole for license. In this case, the standalone non-enterprise license, they cancel that. They're trying to crack down on anything that would give them less money, and that's why they're able to increase in revenue. That it came with a lot of cost, in my opinion. The cost is going to come down to customer hating Broadcom VMware. VMware by Broadcom, they're going to hate it. In this case, they're going to switch to their competitor, which they're already doing. And so that's why this growth is good right now. They need to enjoy quarter three revenue, because as quarter four approaches, they're going to find out that this growth is not sustainable. You cannot keep charging people more money and keeps thinking it's growth. Those growth are not sales growth. They are basically customer being extortion for more money. Unless the data is wrong, we will see whether they can sustain this growth. But I don't believe they will be able to sustain it, especially in the VMware side, because VMware is nothing new. I mean, they're doing a lot of innovations now, but for the majority part, it's not that drastic from what it was a year ago. So that's what it is. So now it's time for you guys to comment and tell us what you think. Do you think, Broadcom is right? Are they on the right path with VMware, or are they more or less hardening away? Let us know in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more insights. Until next time, keep exploring the future and stay skilled. Peace.